Want to view someone's WhatsApp status without letting them know? In this video, I'll show you two simple methods to view WhatsApp status anonymously. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Method first, turn off read receipts. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, select settings, then tap on privacy. Here, turn the toggle off for read receipts option. When you turn off read receipts, people won't know you have seen their status. But remember, you also won't be able to see who viewed your status. For the next method, open File Manager on your phone, go to Internal Storage, then go to Media folder, tap on the WhatsApp folder. Now tap on the three dots and then tap on Show Hidden Files. Tap on .statuses folder. Here you'll see all the status images and videos your contacts have uploaded without opening WhatsApp at all. So that's it. If you found it helpful, do like and share. If you have any doubts or suggestions, drop them in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such helpful tech tips.